Well, it took us a little longer than we thought, but we got it done, and here's the after video. Burton's master bath. Turned out really good. Vanity and vanity top, cappuccino with a white bowl. And a new shower. That is sandstone color with tile walls. Nice big shower head. Inside corner trim all the way to the ceiling, around the ceiling. Corner caddy, diamond series with liver series seat. Finished off on the front there with some inside corner trim. And then this is how we finished out that old closet. Give them a bigger shower, a little bit smaller closet. Just left open. And the original door. And of course, that's me.